It's Pauline Fogarty. I've had major concussion issues for the past 2 years, and what's been left from the injuries is the frontal headaches that wouldn't go away, and right here, and it would affect my memory. It would affect everything in my life. And I found that when I put the intelligence between my brows, that within a few minutes there was a major shift. I can't really tell you what that shift was initially, but I found that it seemed to open up the area and the headache seemed to disappear. And also had a major problem with memory and focus. So I have been using that intelligence here, and I've been using the energy at CV4 and 6, and there is a major shift in my focus, and I'm not getting the headaches. If I focus for 2 hours at a time, I will start to get it, but the major change is phenomenal. That's all I can say. Products are wonderful.